Samsung are set to launch their latest range of foldable phones at the end of July. The new devices have already been subject to a host of leaks, leaving users with a pretty clear idea of what is on the way. Two devices are expected to arrive: the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 and the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. Those will replace the current generation Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 handsets. Based on what we've seen so far, the Flip seems to be the bigger update, getting a larger cover display. The Fold, by comparison, seems to feature relatively minor changes over the previous generation. One thing it might have is a performance boost, though. That's because Geekbench scores for the device have been leaked, showing off the potential horsepower the new model could be packing. The device scores 1,845 in single-core performance and 5,083 in the multi-core stakes. That's a strong showing. By comparison, the Z Fold 4 averages around the same single-core performance, but a multi-core score of around 4,500. It's a modest upgrade, but one that should make the device a little more capable for complex tasks. It's not the first time we've seen leaked performance indicators for the range either. Earlier Geekbench scores for both of the new models showed single-core scores in excess of 2,000 and multi-core scores above 5,000. Those were slightly higher than the ones seen here in the same general area. It's worth noting that this isn't a guarantee of a powerful handset. Geekbench scores are a useful indicator, but it's not an exact science. The test can be manipulated, and its design naturally favors certain devices more than others. A good Geekbench score doesn't necessarily mean a good phone and vice versa. Still, it's a handy way of comparing performance. If the real-world performance of the Z Fold 5 can match up with these scores, it will be a really strong phone. Those scores place it in the same league as the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, which is a pretty good yardstick for a powerful device. The latest speculation calls for the Galaxy Z Fold 5 to have a 6.2-inch external display and a 7.6-inch internal screen, the same size screens used on the Galaxy Z Fold 4. Samsung is apparently banking on improved software, a more powerful and energy-efficient chipset, and a lower price to attract buyers. We should know much more in about 4 weeks when the next Unpacked event should be taking place. If the current rumors are true, the biggest change from the Fold 4 to the Fold 5 might be to the price tag, which read $1,799 and up last year. And with competition from the $1,799 Pixel Fold, it would behoove Samsung to knock a few bucks off the price of the Galaxy Z Fold 5 this year. The new phones are set to launch at an event at the end of July. That means we only have around a month left before we'll know all about what's in store. Anyhow, guys, let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace out.